Betty Shelby did not want to speak on camera about today's developments, but her attorney did.
News on 6's Amy Kaufman continues our live team coverage. Amy?
Well, Terry and Craig, Betty Shelby's attorney Scott Wood says they didn't even know this investigation was happening, but he says they're relieved to hear about this outcome.
This guy's still walking.
It's been 2.5 years since Tulsa police officer Betty Shelby shot and killed Terence Crutcher outside his SUV. Now the Department of Justice says there's not enough evidence to charge Shelby with a federal criminal civil rights violation.
But it is good for reconfirmation of what we've said all along.
Tulsa County prosecutors charged Shelby with first-degree manslaughter, and a jury acquitted her in May of 2017. The Department of Justice says they looked at all the evidence from the state's case and also worked to enhance video of the incident.
Would have had access to all the videos and so forth, and I understand they did have a copy of the jury trial transcript. So I'm certain it was a very, very thorough investigation.
Federal investigators ultimately determined that the evidence was not enough to establish that Officer Shelby's use of force was objectively unreasonable under the Supreme Court's definition.
She acted reasonably, and she acted just how she was trained to react in a situation like this.
Wood says Shelby is moving forward with her life, working as a deputy with the Rogers County Sheriff's Office, but says some days are harder than others.
It's always difficult when you have a lawsuit that's still pending and can be pending for several years to kind of put anything behind you. So, you know, it's an ongoing process for her.
Now, Wood says this case will not have any impact on the civil case that the Crutcher family has filed against several local entities, and that case is still working its way through the court system. Live in Tulsa, Amy Kaufman, Oklahoma's own News on 6.